Hey guys, so earlier today, I was pulled over in this. It doesn't really gonna fit in the video, so I thought we'd just do a little bonus, here's how it went. Honestly, it went pretty good. The cop's super cool. We are driving an absolute race car on the street that is super obnoxious. 100% my fault. I went from fourth, double downshifted into second, and really laid into it, and yeah, the guy was cool. It worked out pretty good. But anyways, I thought it was a little video there because I'm falling super far behind on editing because we're just jamming so much. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. We just got to the hotel, so enjoy.
My registration's together.
That's what they say.
It's fine.
Nothing going.
Yeah.
I might need a copy of that.
No problem. I can get it. Jamie has the key though. What's the problem?
Oh yeah.
I lost the other one. But everything's registered. Super 8's full.
Super 8's full? Yeah. That's the best part.
Tell him not to leave the hotel.
Hmm?
Told him not to leave the hotel.
I told Danny to come take a fucking thumbnail.
You want me to? Oh, just wait till it pulls up. That's me to take a picture.
Good evening.
Good day, sir.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Where are we off to, guys?
Super 8 hotel.
Hotels.
You're spending the night there?
Trying to.
We have to go to Sandman. They're full.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you betcha.
Right on. And then where are you guys off to after that? Are you heading somewhere? Or
Rimby.
staying here in Red Deer? Or?
No, we're leaving. We're out of town.
Yeah, because I seen Saskatoon ran you yesterday. Did you guys get pulled over in Saskatoon?
No.
No? Just one of their police cars must have ran you there. Were you in Saskatoon yesterday?
Yeah, that's where I'm from too. So.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they ran your plate on your trailer probably when you were leaving town. They may have got a
Yeah, probably.
noise bylaw or something like that, right? Because the car's a little loud.
It's a little loud. Yeah, we're on a special event right now.
Okay, right on.
So it's like we do all around Western Canada or like through Saskatchewan, Alberta.
Right.
And we race and then drive, then race and drive kind of thing.
Okay.
So that's how that works. And then so it's
So
only
where
a
are you
special.
racing next in
Rimby.
Edmonton or something?
Rimby.
We're doing Rimby, and then
one,
tomorrow we do Rimby, and then we do Medicine Hat.
Medicine Hat. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right on.
Yeah. So yeah, sorry about that. We're just trying to shut it down for the night.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah,
Yeah.
just if it would have been a bylaw guy, they might have written you a ticket. Right, so.
But not cool guys like you.
Not me. No, frick, I hate writing tickets. It's
Oh.
too much work, man.
No, take a picture. No, just stop.
Right on. Okay, so you guys are shutting her down here.
We're done.
Yeah,
We're
they just said
tired.
the Super 8's full, but we're gonna go to the Sandman. They have rooms left.
Sounds good.
So that's where
Sounds
we're
good.
going.
Yeah, just try and not hit that.
It's really hard.
I know. I
Well,
can't.
well,
You want to go
idler.
for a ride or something?
Oh, I'd love to go do some damage, eh? When you guys are up here, make sure you lock all your stuff up really
Yeah.
well, right?
Actually, she literally just ran here with the trailer key because it is locked. Because my registrations for both are in the trailer.
Oh, that's okay.
So, okay.
So-
Who would steal this, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, it'd be gone in a second. Trust me, everything just. Yeah, just.
No problem. Thanks,
make sure
baby.
everything stays locked. You'll have somebody going through it or whatever,
Yeah.
right? It's.
We'll make sure we take all our stuff inside, I guess.
Yeah, it's pretty
100%.
shitty around here and stuff. So.
We figured by all the
Hold
police
down.
presence while we were having supper.
What's that?
We
Sorry?
figured by the fact we saw about 8 police cars while we were having supper at the keg. So
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, it was a little rowdy. So
Anyway, fellas, good luck. Hopefully, win a race or two.
we appreciate the.
We're trying.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
All right, take care.
Thank
Good
you.
one. Bye.
All right. So burnout the way out, or
Yeah.
did I hit the button?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I didn't